Hey everybody! I recently applied and was approved for the Citi AAdvantage Executive World Elite Mastercard with the 100,000 point bonus and some of the new card changes. Makes a lot of sense for me trying to get to Platinum Pro this year. Got the fancy box for the card in the mail today via FedEx about 5 days after I applied, so pretty quick there. So we're going to check out what the box looks like. Overall, no real card changes that I noticed in terms of seeing what the cards looked like previously, but a nice little heft to it. Nice little opening book here explaining all the benefits of the card, gets you psyched to travel American Airlines. Biggest change for me is going to be 10,000 loyalty points after hitting 50,000 loyalty points in the program, and then another 10,000 at the 90,000 mark. That's going to help me get to Platinum Pro a little bit quicker, a little bit less effort on my part. And then the 100,000 point bonus is a pretty big one for me too. We're going to see if I keep the card past that. Don't really love going into the Advantage lounges, the Admirals Club lounges rather, but overall, I think it's a good card offer, and will plus up my American Advantage miles for my next business class redemption, or maybe even first class, who knows. Blur out some of the details here. And here is the card.